Quick nature quiz. 3 questions, 3 seconds each. Let's go. First question. What's the tallest animal on Earth? The answer is letter B, giraffe, and they can grow up to 19 feet tall. Second question. How much of Earth's surface is water? The answer is letter B, 71%, and the water covers most of our planet. Third and final question. What do bees collect from flowers? The answer is letter C, nectar, and the bees make honey from it. How many did you get right? Comment below and follow for more quizzes.